Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest hide all pins. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest hidden pins or hide all pins, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Then you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. After that we click storage. Here we go to click clear cache. And in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi here and we click to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching and your attention.